Guys, listen very carefully. We can hear a hawk. Look at Millie.
Okay, how does this? Why does it?
Why? Every time we try to record this, it doesn't work. Like, it doesn't make sense.
Wait, bro.
Oh, there it was. Did you hear it? I think you heard it. Come on, do it another time.
Yeah. Help you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a ship. Ain't no fair on the ship. Okay, while we're listening, I'm gonna get sturdy. Okay, never mind. That's a bad idea.
Yeah, you're
My
probably
leg
gonna
hurts.
stub
No,
my toe.
my like right here is sore. I'd like to have a ice bath right now.
I'm not even allowed to go in right now. Mountains will drown.
In that shallow water, even Rollins can sit in that water.
And she's the shortest out of all of us. Yeah.
Joe.
Oh yeah.
No?
Shortest out of me, Rollins, and Noah.
Okay, well, I don't think you're gonna hear it again. Peace.